How to use motion tracking in InShot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use motion tracking in InShot. So with this feature, you can track faces, move people, object, add stickers, and even hide sensitive content easily. And with that being said, let's see how it works. So here what you can do is just open the InShot app on your phone, and now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the video option right here, and after that you can just tap on new, and once you see the interface like this, then you can simply select the video that you want to edit. And once you have selected that, simply tap on the check button, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the video, then what you can do is just select the video clip where you want to add or use the motion tracking, and from here you can just tap on the stickers option, and after that you can just tap on details. And now here you can simply select the mosaic tools, and there you can add the mosaic to the face. Let's say I want to add it to the face, then what you can do is just tap on it, and after that you can just tap on the tick icon. And here once you're done positioning it to the area that you want to blur, then what you can do is just tap on it, and after that you can simply scroll through the options at the top, and there you can just tap on tracking. And now here once you tap on it, you simply have to select the face tracking, and after that you can just tap on start tracking. And once you do that, InShot will do its work automatically. So here once it's done, the mosaic or the sticker will follow the face smoothly. And there you can also add text, emojis, and whatever you like. And that's it. That's how you can use motion tracking in InShot. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.